So today I'm going to be doing my first protein treatment. Y'all recommended that I do the Aphogee protein treatment. So that is exactly what I'm going to do today. The reason I decided to do a protein treatment is because one, I've never done one, so don't tell nobody. But two, my curls, they just looking bad. Like, I'm gonna insert some pictures so y'all can see what I'm talking about, especially when my hair is wet. But y'all, like, I feel like this up here is like losing its curl pattern. Like, you can see it more when it's wet, but you can see like different curl patterns throughout my head. And I'm hoping that this protein treatment fixes it, because if it doesn't, I'm really thinking about just cutting it off. But what I'm gonna use is the Deep Moisture shampoo to wash my hair. And then the treatment is here with the two-step protein treatment. And then I have the balancing moisturizer. And y'all, I read the instructions because I ain't trying to be bald-headed out here. So y'all can go through this whole process with me. So if you are interested in seeing me do this protein treatment, then just keep on watching. All right, y'all, let's get into it. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start with my hair being pretty wild. It has not been combed in about 2 weeks. It has been in a wash and go for that long, and I don't comb my hair or detangle it when it's in its natural state. But you will see that my hair is sucking up all of that moisture. The shampoo that I'm using today is going to be the Aphogee Deep Moisture Shampoo. This shampoo is supposed to have pH balancing properties, and it is supposed to manage frizz, which I really need because my hair tends to be very frizzy. I did notice that this shampoo did have a good lather, but I did go ahead and add more water so I can get more lather, because like I told y'all in my other video, I love a good lather. So you will see me just, cleansing my scalp and my hair. I'll also be trying to, at some point, finger detangle my hair. I did notice that this shampoo didn't provide a lot of slip, so it was very hard to try to separate my hair. You'll see me here rinsing it out, and then after I rinse it out, I'll do a cool water rinse. Okay, y'all, so this is how my hair is looking right after washing. And I'll be honest with y'all, I think it's looking, I guess my curls are looking defined. I know they're still wet, but normally after I wash my hair, I have a little frizz. And so I'm not seeing as much frizz with that shampoo. So I think I may incorporate that shampoo into my regimen now. But y'all can see the part that I was telling y'all about now, right? Like how it's like, you see curly right here, but then straight at the bottom. So I know that it's damaged, but I mean, I really feel like I just need to cut it off. But we're gonna see what this protein treatment do first. And I don't really know how this part got like that, because I don't put a lot of heat on my hair. I mean, I don't know if it's from like tension. I really don't know. So from what I researched, protein treatments are supposed to strengthen your hair. And the fact that I've never done one is crazy. So I am so scared to try this, y'all. Like, I'm just afraid. But here is the next step that we're gonna do, which is the protein treatment. So from when I opened up the bottle, I noticed that it was very like watery. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna put this in a spray bottle to apply to my hair. So for this step, what I'm going to do is actually part my hair in 4 sections just to try to detangle it a little bit. Then I'm gonna apply this with the spray bottle and then try to comb it through. So here you're going to see me parting my hair into 4 sections. I'm going to detangle each section by starting from the bottom and then working my way up. And then once it's detangled, I'm going to twist that section up, and I will be repeating this process throughout the 4 sections of my hair. Okay, so now that my hair is detangled, I'm going to go ahead and put the protein treatment inside of my spray bottle so I can apply it to each section. And from what the directions says, it says to apply enough treatment to thoroughly saturate hair and comb blend with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. And then to leave hair uncovered and to use a medium heat dryer. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh my gosh. Whatever I don't use, I just pour it back into this bottle. I ain't pour that much in here. because this stuff is expensive, honey. But since this is my first time, I'm gonna start in the back because, honey, I'm not trying to have no bald spots in the front. So let me go ahead and start in the back. And I'm just gonna take this section by section and just apply this protein treatment and comb it through, I guess. So here you're just going to see me applying the protein treatment with the spray bottle. I'm going to try to saturate all my strands of hair, and then when I start to comb, I'm going to comb from the bottom up. I'll be honest, I can tell that it's going to get stiff. Just like from the application, I can tell that this is going to make my hair really stiff once it dries. From what I've been researching, it says that when you have high porosity hair that you should do protein treatments more often to make sure that your hair remains strong. All right, y'all, so I've got all of the protein in my hair right now. So what I'm about to do is use the blow dryer like it says to make my hair dry. And then after that, I'm gonna wash it out. Okay, y'all, so I am done drying my hair, and just like the bottle said, my hair is so hard. Like, I mean, these curls define. Do not get me wrong, these curls define. But I feel like I'm so sticky everywhere that maybe I got the protein treatment like all on my arm and stuff. Probably gonna have to take another bath. But at this point, you're supposed to wash it out and then use the Balance Moisturizer. And I think it's just to put the moisture back in your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out, and then we're gonna do that final step, and then we'll be done with our protein treatment, and then we'll do our styling. But this is what our curls looking like right now, yeah. So I have washed the protein treatment out of my hair. Now I'm gonna use the Balance and Moisturizer, and I'm just gonna put it throughout my hair, and per the directions it says to leave on for 2 minutes and then rinse it out. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's go ahead and put this in my head. As y'all can see, my hair is sucking in all of this moisturizer, like, whew. This high porosity is no joke. All right, y'all see that little piece still like that? I think it's gonna end up being cut. I think I'm gonna end up having to cut that little piece, but the rest of my hair look fine. So I think it's probably been 2 minutes, but I'm just gonna make sure, leave it in for another 30 seconds or so. And then I'm gonna rinse it out. Then we're gonna do our wash and go process. I have finished washing the Balance Moisturizer out of my hair. So far, this is what we are looking like, y'all. My curls are definitely defined, and it is soft for sure. Let me find that piece, the one that I was talking about. Yeah, I don't know what I should do about this piece that's in the front. Do y'all think I just should leave it alone, or do y'all think I should cut it? Let me know down in the comments what y'all think, because I mean, if I just cut that little area off, I mean, I know it'll grow back, but it's gonna look stupid, like if I wanna wear it down or something, because it's gonna be uneven. But anyways, for the final results for the styling, I'm going to use these products, and I've used them in the video before, but y'all, I just am in love with these products. It's from a Black-owned company. It's called My Curl Products. I'll link them down below. But y'all, I love these products, y'all. And no, this video is not sponsored at all. I really like this product. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. So the first product that I use on my hair is the Curl Foaming Mousse, and then I follow up with that with the Curl Sauce. So I'm gonna use that for my styling product this time. And then we're gonna see our final results. So here you're just going to see me applying those products evenly throughout my hair. I do finger comb those products through just so every piece of my hair is saturated with that product. So this is how my hair looks once all the product has been applied throughout my hair. And I did want to point out how defined my curls are. I mean, they just look so beautiful with this product in. And here is a close-up of the curls and how defined they are. So now you're going to see me diffusing my hair, and this portion usually takes me about 20 minutes to do. And as my hair is drying, I'm seeing how shiny and defined my curls are after that protein treatment. And y'all, I am just in love with my results. So my hair is fully dry and I'm in love with my curls. But then I saw that one piece was still the same. Look at that. I mean, it need to go. I mean, you can see right here that it need to go. So I'm just gonna cut it. So much better. So we're gonna see how long it's gonna take for this to grow back. So the reason I decided to cut that piece was because it's not healthy. I mean, if the protein treatment didn't save it, I don't think anything would save it. And why am I holding on to it? It's straight when everything else is curly, which means it's not healthy hair. So that's why I decided to cut it. Y'all might come for me in the comments, but you know, it's gone now, honey. But yeah. All right, y'all, this is the finished look. Y'all, look how shiny and defined these curls are. Like, y'all, look how beautiful these curls are. Now, my hair looks so good. Plus, it's not having a lot of frizz, which I normally have with my wash and goes. But y'all, look how beautiful this is. At first, I was apprehensive about doing the protein treatment, but now I'm probably gonna do it every 6 weeks because my curls are so defined. Y'all, let me know down below in the comments if y'all ever tried a protein treatment. If so, did you get the desired results that you was looking for? So far, I'm really happy with how my hair turned out, with the exception of that one piece. But if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell so you get notified every time that I post something so you don't miss something. And I'll see you in my next video.